turned into spring, and I wanted to show you this cover I made for our camper trailer, our travel trailer. I went to Home Depot and bought a roll of Tyvek for about $100, and I used half of it. Now Tyvek's, it's pretty much waterproof, but I don't know how well it's gonna stand up in the summertime for the UV rays, but we'll see. All the seams are glued with this contact cement that's a water base, and they held up pretty good in the rain and in the wind. And yeah, that's the last of it there. Okay, I don't know if you can see, but all of it was crinkled up. If you leave it flat and unwrinkled like this, it's really noisy. So you gotta kind of crinkle it up, and it quiets it right down. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna back up here. So it actually held up fairly good in the wind, and we get some really major windstorms here. I think we had 3 this winter, and I used these types of tie downs because it seems to be the kindest to fabric without ripping it, and I've got them set all around. Okay. The spouts did tear a hole at the top corner, but I'll just make a donut and I'll patch that up this year. But just to give you an idea about the winds, this is my neighbor's fence, and he's got it roped off and tied to a well, I don't want to invade his property too much, but it's tied to a basketball hoop just to keep it from blowing over. And once again, you can see all the crinkles I put in here to keep the noise down. Yeah, it worked pretty good. I did leave the north side open so that we could go into the trailer, but the rest of it is 3/4 wrapped, you know, front, back, side. Yeah, so pretty happy. I'll probably report again this end of the summer and just see how well it's holding up in the sun.